Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a sweet girl named Mia. Today was a very special day. It was her first day of school. Mia put on her brand new yellow dress and shiny red shoes. She looked in the mirror and took a deep breath. Her tummy felt a little fluttery, like it was full of tiny butterflies. What if I don't make any friends? She whispered to her teddy bear. Barnaby? Her mom gave her a warm hug and a big smile. Just be yourself, sweetie. You're wonderful, and everyone will love you. Mia held her mom's hand as they walked to a big, bright building with a red roof. This was her new school. It was buzzing with the happy sounds of children playing and laughing. Mia clutched her backpack a little tighter. It felt so big and new. Mia's teacher, Ms. Appleby, greeted her with the kindest smile. Welcome to our class, Mia, she said cheerfully. Mia looked around the classroom. It was filled with colorful drawings, books, and toys. She saw a boy named Leo building a tall tower with blocks and a girl named Chloe painting a beautiful rainbow. They both looked up and waved at her. Mia felt a little shy, but she remembered her mom's words. She smiled back and waved. During playtime, Chloe asked, "Do you want to paint with me?" Mia's eyes lit up. "Yes, please," she said. They painted a big, bright sun together. Then Leo came over. Wow. That's a great sun. Want to help me build the tallest castle ever? Soon, the three of them were laughing and building a magnificent block castle together. They sang songs, learned their ABCs, and listened to a story about a brave little squirrel. Before she knew it, the day was over. Mia hugged her new friends goodbye. "See you tomorrow," they all shouted. Walking home, the butterflies in Mia's tummy were gone. Instead, she felt a warm, happy glow. Her first day of school wasn't scary at all. It was an adventure filled with new friends and so much fun. And so, Mia learned that a smile is the best way to start a new adventure and that being brave can lead to the most wonderful friendships. Thank you for watching with us. We hope you enjoyed Mia's story. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time!